There is something in the deep of the river jar. I witnessed something so creepy that it plays over in my mind again and again. I will try to explain what I saw, because the camera wasn't running when this happened, and I haven't seen it since. One afternoon, as the sun spilled through the window, lighting up the jar in a golden glow, I saw something I hadn't seen in the ecosystem before. In the very center of the bottom of the jar, a brownish-red worm-like creature came snaking up out of the sand. The diameter of the creature was no bigger than the tip of a ballpoint pen, and it stuck out of the sand about 3/4 of an inch. The creature scanned left, and it scanned right, in slow movements. Suddenly, in the blink of an eye, the creature shot forward, snatched something that was swimming by, and sucked it down under the sand, leaving nothing but a cloud of debris behind. I haven't seen this worm since, and I have no idea what it was. Perhaps it was a small leech that feeds on tiny swimming animals. Over the last 2 weeks, the jar has changed. A couple of swimming larvae hatched out into midge flies, which are tiny little insects that look like mosquitoes but cannot bite. I removed a little bit of water so the stick could protrude out of the surface, allowing larvae to crawl out. I have seen what looked to be mayfly larvae swimming around. They are tiny water bugs with legs and what almost appear to be a bunch of fins along the sides of their body, allowing them to swim quickly if they need to. There are many copepods, which are a type of plankton, swimming around. Their numbers are constantly growing. The pregnant females look like they have 2 paddles coming off their tail. Those are egg sacs. 4 small snails roam around and bury themselves in the sand. The large snail moves around mostly after the sun is set. And I have noticed there are tiny sprigs of bright green algae starting to form in places. There is a major problem happening in the jar. The walls of the glass are becoming covered in brown algae. It's getting to be so thick that I'm having difficulty seeing through it. I'm battling with whether I should scrape the walls of the glass or just let it be to see what happens. This may be my last update for a while. I'm going to let more time go by between videos so we can see a bigger change.